In this video, I will be showing you how to set up an international payment gateway. So when we say international payment gateway, for offline or online businesses that allow credit debit card payments, a payment gateway is a tool that companies employ to verify their customers' card details. Examples for this international payment gateway, we have PayPal, also we have Stripe, also we have this online worldpay.com. And all you have to do is to sign up, especially if you don't have an existing account, or you could just click login if you have. And then I'm going to try to create an account using the Stripe. Stripe is also one of the most wonderful international payment gateway because of its features. So all you have to do is to go to Google web browser and type Stripe. And in order for you to create your Stripe account, you must have an email address, or let's just say valid email address. You must have your full name, of course. You must be very specific and honest with this. And then after that, your password. Now, once you click create an account, you need to verify your email address. So I have to go to my email address and verify it. Now, this is what it looks like. And as you can see, we have here options and features. For example, we have here above home, payments, balances, customers, products, billing, reports, and so on. Now, if you're going to tap this active payments, you can see here the options or the things that you need to fill out. First, we have here verify your business. So you need to answer this one. Also, for payment details, you have to put your legal name. Everything here should be correct. Also, for your bank details, you just have to click and select your bank here. If you can't see it right here, then you can search it above. For example, this one. Okay, and then your bank account or your bank will appear here. Okay, let's just say Western, something like that. And then after that, if you're going to click the secure your account, then you can have your verification here, like use an authenticator, security key, or SMS so that your account is secured. Now, you can also tap this one, add extras, and then review, and then summary, then finish everything. As easy as that. Now, once your account in Stripe is valid or everything is okay, I mean, you put all the information they need, you can now start paying and sending payments or receiving amounts using the Stripe. Okay, so you can see here it is also linked to other payment providers. So that's it. That's how easy it is to set up international payment gateway. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and see you in our next video tutorials.